The new Zooz bikes look sick. 2023 models. They've got colors, they've got number plates, they've got a built-in stem light, they got a bunch of connection points for you to add things like fenders and racks and baskets and all sorts of stuff like that. Upgraded pedals, upgraded brakes, upgraded chainring, upgraded branding logos, upgraded bottom bracket and cranks, everything. Check it out. There's some limited colors for the 1100 and limited colors for the 750. So if you don't see the color you're looking for in one model, check the other. Maybe they have it. And also, don't forget to use code JohnnyPrime at checkout. You will save $150 right off the top. Only downside that I can see, no more chrome. So if you want chrome, if that's your thing, you got to buy an older model. Right now, no more chrome. I really like it. I wish I had space for another one. I'd be buying that yellow one. Talk to you soon.